select command method. From the Home tab, drop panel, click on this symbol to activate the spline command. Select command method type 2. Use SPL as a shortcut to activate the spline command. After selecting the command, specify the first point, next point, and create a multiple points to create a desired spline shapes. And type enter to repeat the same command. In splines, we are having two methods of spline. To explore them, type M enter. First one is spline fit and second one is spline control vertices. Type F enter to go for a spline fit. Specify the first one, second, third one and fourth one, then click enter. In the spline fit, all the vertices of the spline created exactly on the spline line. Second one is control vertices spline. To select that, type CV enter. Specify the first point and second point and third point. This will give us a very smooth curved spline, and the vertices of the splines are just offsetted from the spline curve. And move these vertices to modify the created splines. In the spline command, we can easily control the smoothness of the curve. To control the smoothness of spline fit, go for knot option. Here we will get three smoothness options. First one is chord, second one is square root, third one is uniform. These three will give three different smoothness for the spline. In the same way, for the control vertices spline, go for a degree option. We can control it from 1 to 10 units. This will give three different smoothness of spline. And last one is object. We can easily convert a created polyline into the spline by using this object option.
Hit like and subscribe button for more videos on AutoCAD.